Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get zero recoil with XIM Matrix. Achieving precise aim and eliminating weapon kickback can significantly enhance your gameplay. We will cover essential in-game adjustments, delve into the powerful Smart Actions feature of your XIM Matrix, and discuss the crucial steps for fine-tuning your setup. By following these guidelines, you will gain a competitive edge and experience unparalleled control over your weapons, making every shot count. Before diving into your XIM Matrix, it is vital to optimize your in-game settings. First, disable any form of aim assist to prevent conflicts with the XIM's input. Next, set your controller dead zones to the lowest possible values, ideally 0, for maximum responsiveness. Adjust your look sensitivity to a consistent level that feels natural. Finally, ensure your field of view is optimized for competitive play, typically between 90 and 105 degrees, for clear visibility. Now, let's leverage the power of XIM Matrix Smart Actions for recoil control. Begin by creating a new Smart Action specifically for your chosen weapon profile. Within this action, implement a recoil compensation curve, adjusting both vertical and horizontal anti-recoil values. Start with small adjustments, perhaps a vertical value of -5 and a horizontal value of 0, then fine-tune. Assign this smart action to an easily accessible button or trigger for seamless activation during gameplay. The final, and perhaps most critical, step is fine-tuning and consistent practice. Take your newly configured setup into a private match or training range and test it thoroughly. Make small, incremental adjustments to your anti-recoil values, perhaps by 1 or 2 points at a time, until the recoil is virtually eliminated. Remember to create and practice with different weapon profiles. Dedicate at least 15 minutes daily to practice. Consistency is key to mastering zero recoil with your XIM Matrix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.